the way the day will work, just to give you an overview, is we're here for the welcome and the panel discussion, and I will be turning that over shortly to Barbara Grant, our moderator. But we will be remaining in this room, and we will have both workshops, the first one, which is custody in the law, followed immediately by the second one on behavioral health issues and resources. And then at 12 o'clock, around 12 o'clock, we'll break for lunch. And from 12 to 2, you're seeing that there's resource tables being set up out there. And whilst many of them are starting here, the goal was to have it available between 12 to 2 so that you could go through and take what information you need. We will then be going to the cafeteria, which is down the hallway on the right, and the restrooms are down the hallway on the right. And in the cafeteria, we'll have lunch, we'll have our keynote speaker, and we will have a closing speaker on advocacy from AARP, and then our raffle. So we have some raffle prizes for those of you who are attending. So if you are here, you have to be here to claim your prize. So at the end, we'll do the raffle. And everyone got an evaluation form in your packet. This is really important to us, so we do ask you to please take a minute and complete it, because that helps inform us how we improve these and work on these the next time around. And for anyone who needs a certificate of attendance at the end of the session at 1 o'clock, when you turn in your evaluation form, we'll be glad to give you a certificate of attendance. So Senator Williams has been committed to helping grandparents and other relatives for quite a few years now. It started, I think, in 2006 when Grands' parents came to him, and we reached out to other kinship care organizations to see what he could do to try and help provide resources as well as legislation around this. So it's an ongoing effort, and hopefully we'll hear more about that in a little later. But I don't want to take up too much time on the welcome, because we do want to get started in the panel discussion. But Brenda Rich, where is Brenda? Where did she go? All right, please. But while we wait for Brenda, I want to invite Marcia Martin up to share a few words on behalf of her organization and to thank her for her sponsorship of this event.
Good morning, everyone. First, I want to thank everyone for coming out today to this event. I'll be very brief because she did such a good job of naming all of the participants. We want to certainly thank the panel in advance for your participation, and pat yourselves on the back. It is Saturday morning, so for all of us. I've been at Gateway Health Plan for 20 years. Most of you probably have not heard of us because we are based out of Pittsburgh. We've been in the Philadelphia market with our Medicare products for the past 2 years. We have a Medicare special needs plan and 3 other plans that people can join, including a chronic care plan for people with diabetes or heart disease. This is such an important topic, which is why we decided that we wanted to be the lead supporter of it this year, and I hope that this continues in the future. There's much more to being healthy than just popping a pill or going to the doctor. It's about having positive relationships and living in healthy families. And so to say that, I don't want to get into the meat of what the conversation will be from the panelists and in your workshops today, but it is very, very critical that as a community that we support grandparents and now great-grandparents who are doing everything possible to actually save our children. So thank you again for inviting us, and we're happy to be here.
I also just want to let people know that the Continental Breakfast is set up there, and you can continue. You can get up and go out and come back in. Coffee was not quite done, but I'll get a signal when the coffee's ready if you need to leave. So but I'm going to invite Brenda Rich up, who's one of our committee partners from Turning Points for Children.
Hi, everyone. I'm so glad to welcome you today. I think I talked to many of you by the phone because you called Brenda Rich, and so I got to talk to you. I'm from Turning Points for Children, and we wanted to truly welcome you today. For many years, we've been able to specifically serve relative caregivers, grandparents, and children through the Kids and Kin program. And so we are so glad to welcome you as caregivers. And I was thinking about our name, Turning Points for Children. You all become a turning point when the children end up somehow in your care. And so look at yourselves as a person who makes a critical opportunity for a child to have a turn in their life for a good future. So thank you so much. Welcome from Turning Points for Children, and have a great day.